Welcome to My Haiti Renaissance Network, Haiti Reinvented. My Haiti Renaissance Network aims to establish a network of computer and mobile phone assembly and refurbishing plants throughout Haiti. My Haiti Renaissance Network will aim to service small, mid, and major international players such as Dell, Apple, Hewlett-Packard, as well as AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, and many more. Our main goal is to offer quality products and services at highly competitive prices to the international IT market by training and equipping Haitian IT workers with similar know-how and expertise found in any other country. Our objective is to have Haiti become a player and strong competitor among computer assembling and refurbishing countries. My Haiti Renaissance Network is driven by various market drivers, including sector diversification, proximity to major international markets such as USA, Canada, Brazil, and more. Collaboration with major international IT players will change perception and help turn Haiti into an attractive investment target. Providing domestic and overseas Haitian and non-Haitian investors as an opportunity to contribute to Haiti's rebirth through equity investments. Establishing multiple assembly plants throughout Haiti will usher in a new era of decentralization and be beneficial to all stakeholders. Addressing steep underinvestments that areas outside of the capital have historically experienced. Making Haiti a player in the international IT market. My Haiti Renaissance Network will serve a broad sector of the domestic and international IT market, including small, mid, and large personal computer and mobile phone sellers such as Apple, Dell, Hewlett-Packard, IBM, Verizon, AT&T, and many more. In addition, My Haiti Renaissance will service retailers such as Best Buy, Costco, Walmart, Staples, Circuit City, Tiger Direct, among others. My Haiti Renaissance will offer our target market significantly low assembly cost for international partners and affiliates, huge shipping cost savings for international partners and affiliates, faster delivery of products to North and South American markets, facilitating major international IT players to realize their global corporate citizenship objectives. My Haiti Renaissance Network will play a significant role in creating much-needed job opportunities in corresponding communities by training and hiring local personnel from a pool of senior high schools, undergraduate, and graduate students, as well as the general labor force at very competitive salaries. By establishing several plants across various regions in Haiti, including Port-au-Prince, Jacmel, Cap-Haïtien, among others, My Haiti Renaissance will be able to offer employment opportunities to a broader pool of the labor force and to contribute to the decentralization of Haiti. As evidenced by these photos, there are several existing structures as well as numerous identified lots in Jacmel and other regions that are ideal for this project. My Haiti Renaissance is not satisfied with simply providing jobs. We are looking to make a radical difference in helping to revitalize Haiti and turning it into a regional IT hub for cutting-edge 21st century technology. In addition to establishing internship programs with various schools, My Haiti Renaissance will also partner with the community it serves by offering free basic computer training and workshops for students and small business owners. Moreover, My Haiti Renaissance will also donate a portion of profits to the less fortunate in Haiti. The management team of My Haiti Renaissance Network is currently comprised of several highly motivated and experienced partners. The team has been operating in Haiti since 2010 and currently has a presence on the ground in Cap-Haïtien operating under myHaitiApartment.com, a subsidiary of myBrooklynApartment.com. myBrooklynApartment.com is headquartered in New York with offices in Miami and Pennsylvania. The company provides comprehensive services to individuals and businesses operating in housing, tourism, and other sectors in Haiti and abroad in the diaspora. Please visit myHaitiApartment.com for a view of our full menu of services. Our partners have decades of experience in the IT, finance, business, and real estate sectors, many holding advanced degrees within these business segments. In addition, My Haiti Renaissance Network is proud to have the following individuals serving as advisors: Christopher Taylor, President and CEO of Tropical Telecom Limited, aka Access Haiti, the premier internet service provider in Haiti. Alan Gwynn, managing partner of the Gwynn Consultancy Group Incorporated. Alan has several years' experience with domestic, international, as well as Caribbean-based business ventures on par with My Haiti Renaissance Network. Thank you for your interest in My Haiti Renaissance Network, Haiti Reinvented. Please contact one of the partners for further details about how you can be an integral part of this exciting, rejuvenating, and rewarding endeavor.